Assalamualaikum, good evening ladies and gentlemen, welcome back with us in Apps Master Builder. I'm Kartina Abdul Ghani, your mobile apps trainer, and we are on Facebook Live now. Let me see, okay, hang on, let me check everything is okay. Alright, so we are today in English. I'm going to share with all of you about our iSinar MCO promotion. As you know, we are now going into MCO 2.0, and also a lot of us are receiving the iSinar KWSP, and we would like to take this opportunity to share with all of you to join our program and create mobile apps non-coding. Yesterday I was in Bahasa Malaysia, and today we're going to share in Bahasa Inggeris. All our programs, all our videos and manuals are in dual language, ladies and gentlemen, so please don't worry much. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so here we would like to share about our AMB toolkit, whereby a newbie without any coding knowledge, or even there's no need to learn coding, you are able to actually create your own mobile apps in record time, alright, and using our system. Okay, so let me share a bit about our AMB toolkit. Okay, AMB toolkit, ladies and gentlemen, is a complete toolkit, meaning that the system with all the support, okay, and it is DIY. Yes, you do not need, yes, we do have webinar workshop, but under this AMB toolkit program, there's no need for you to attend our webinar workshop, so that you can build your apps with your own sweet time, meaning, but don't take action too late, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but you are able to create your apps, okay, following the videos and manuals and all the support which I'm going to share shortly, so that you are able to create your own mobile apps. Okay, and we give you lifetime support. Okay, so why AMB toolkit? Most importantly, which I have been saying repeatedly just now, is no coding. Yeah, but if you are a programmer and you know CSS, HTML, Java and PHP, you will be able to use those knowledge with our system. Yes, but then again, those people who don't have this knowledge, you can build it without any coding required. Yes, and we have very comprehensive pages. You can just go into appsmasterbuilder.com and look at the features. Yes, we have basic features and we have full features, and you will be amazed that we could build similar like Lazada, Shopee e-commerce app. We could do e-hailing, appointment, booking, travel, greeting card, photo frames, simple games, and so all without any coding required. Okay, and secondly is just a drag and drop. Okay, it's just a drag and drop. Okay, templates are ready. Okay, pages are ready. Yes, there are steps need to be done, but all are guided. Alright, all are guided to help you to make your experience in building app easier. You see, a lot of people, ladies and gentlemen, they have great idea, but what is the problem? First and foremost, okay, they are non-coders. Okay, in order to actually get a programmer to build app for you, it's gonna be expensive. Alright, there are people. What type of people build apps? There's two type of people. First, for those people who build apps as a business. Secondly, as a passive income. Wherever you are coming from, our system will be able to help you to build your app. Alright, okay, so let's continue. Okay, so our CMS Server Main platform, we are able to publish to 3 platforms. Alright, first and foremost, of course, Android. Majority of our users actually publish to Google Play Store, but Android store like Amazon, Aptoide, Huawei store, all these can also be published as long as they accept our APK. Okay, secondly is iOS, which is Apple App Store. Alright, I think about 30% of our users publish to Apple. Apple requirement is a little bit difficult, but we will be able to guide you. All right. Why only 30%? Because to open a Google developer account is a bit expensive, ladies and gentlemen, because Google requires 99 USD to be renewed every year, but Android is only 25 USD lifetime. So a lot of people, even programmers, majority are publishing to Android instead of to Apple. But if you are an entrepreneur, ladies and gentlemen, you must publish to both. Okay, and we also have PWA, Progressive Web App. Alright, so we just introduced this like 4 months ago, so this is a good opportunity. So we have 3 platforms. Alright, so let's continue. Okay, hang on. Alright, and another great features, we have many features, but I would like to share this, is that we give our users unlimited push notification, unlimited updates, unlimited size, meaning that the size of the app that you need, you are publishing is unlimited, and also unlimited traffic. So these are good. Okay, these are good things that will help us and makes us different than other type of server. All right. Okay, if you have any question, please do ask in the comment. All right, but I noticed that a lot of people, they actually repeat and see the video, the Facebook live later. It's okay, but if you have any question, then I can answer directly. Waalaikumsalam. All right, so let's continue. Okay, so purpose is to share about our AMB Toolkit, which is our online training DIY, so you are able to create apps on your own from home. Alright, so this is the AMB Toolkit. Okay, and what are the things that we give in the package? Okay, because it's a toolkit, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so first and foremost is unlimited access to AMB mobile app server without coding CMS platform, which I've explained to you earlier on. What are the main specific difference that we have, alright, and makes it easy for your apps building. Okay, secondly, alright, you get unlimited access to our AMB Academy for videos and manuals, and our videos and manuals are in Bahasa English, and also Bahasa Malaysia. Alright, so whatever from which background you are, you will be able to follow successfully. And our online program is not, although we officially launched this in May 2020, but we have been having people going online, not in big numbers, since 2018. So don't worry, we are not a new program, and I have been teaching in mobile apps since 2013. So we know your problem, we know your issues, and everything has been answered via the videos. Okay, and thirdly is that you have lifetime unlimited bug ticket support. Okay, and the best thing is that your bug ticket support is via the Telegram. So if you have any issues, just ask in the Telegram while you are in front of the laptop and so on. And even if I'm not able to answer, maybe like currently I'm doing Facebook Live, maybe there are people asking through the Telegram, but definitely there will be other people who will be able to help you to answer those questions, because we always believe in order to be successful, we need to be successful together. So if you help others, others will also help you. So Telegram is our main support. Then you have the Facebook support. Then we also have the bug ticket support. Okay, if there are issues that we need to discuss over with our programmers, then I will let you know that you need to submit via the emails and so on. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are together with you, okay, to help you. And then we have the bi-weekly webinar support, twice a month. Okay, we do it every Saturday night, 8 o'clock Malaysia time. Alright, we do have people from Singapore, Brunei, Thailand, Spain, Germany, and few countries, okay, that is together with us. So that's why we do it on Saturday night. For us, Saturday night is not a working day, and for our foreign friends, they Saturday normally they are not working during the daytime. So if they have issues, they will be able to come in. It's open. There's no extra charges. Okay, so let's continue. Alright, and then we have bonuses. Okay, we have 10 app development step by step ready for you, ladies and gentlemen, because why we want to answer those issues that people say, I'm interested in building apps, I do not know what to build. So For those of you who do not know what to build, just follow our recommendation inside this bonus number 1. For those people who already have the app idea, don't worry, you need to learn the step-by-step first, right? So follow the step-by-step, then after that you then create your own app. Okay, this will definitely speed track your progress. Alright, everything is ready for you. Okay, so let's continue, hang on. Okay. Secondly is quick tips on mobile apps creation. There's a lot of people who ask me, okay, the question is what type of apps to be built, Kartina? I have an idea, but then it might not be what people want. We share with you here on how to do simple research, okay, how to do simple research to look at what type of apps that people are always downloading and using. Alright, so this will help you to decide on what type of apps to build. Just do remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's also good to do every month. Because why? They are time, like for example now we are going for Christmas, so currently a different type of apps are required because Christmas is coming. And not Christmas, sorry, the Chinese New Year is coming, so a lot of things will differ, so it's best to do every month. Alright, okay. Then after that, the bonuses are basically to answer questions that a lot of people are having issues, so I want to cover that and help all of you. Next, always people have difficulties in doing the description. Yes, when you want to publish to Google Play Store, after the screenshot you can see description, right? Okay, do you read description? No, majority of us don't read description, but there are people who read the description. I sometimes read, sometimes I don't read. However, putting up the description is a requirement. Okay, it's a requirement, so we help you how to create that fast so that you don't worry much. A lot of people, their apps are ready, but then they cannot move forward because they stuck with the description. So we help you how to go about doing that. Okay, so and then design hacking for mobile apps. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you might have an idea. I solved the problem of what type of app to build. I solved the problem of you doing description. But this is one problem that is always faced for people who are really newbies. Okay, but younger generation nowadays they learn Canva and so on. But senior people and also 40s, 50s, they might not know how to do design, graphic and so on. We do not need to be graphic designer, okay, but you still have to do image editing and so on, because we need to create an icon, we need to create a homepage image. So I share with you a bit on how to actually do graphics and editing for you in order to build your apps. Alright, years ago when mobile app is not around, people were doing website and so on. I did actually attended the workshop and I can create a website, no issues and so on. But then what was the problem was that I couldn't do the graphics, and the trainer did not teach us graphics. So with us, I know that will be a problem for a lot of newbies who is not young graduates. Young graduates, they know Canva and so on, all this easy. So we share with you a simple tool. Alright, and next is we have affiliates program. We have affiliate program, and this is something that is newly introduced, and we only give it to our members who have joined our program. It's not open for non-members, and because we have a lot of requests, especially during the MCO 1.0, our own members, they have a lot, because they build app, they share in Facebook, they share in WhatsApp, and their friends asking, well, where did you learn how to build apps? And so, you are not a programmer, you are an accountant, you are a mechanic, so at the end of the day, we introduce the affiliate program. So if they share our program, then they will have affiliate commission. So this is something, this is something that is an option. It's open to all our members, so that it would help you also to generate passive income. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's our program, whereby our AMB Toolkit, we sincerely believe, would be able to help all of you to build apps, alright, without coding, save costs, because you do not need to engage programmers, save time, Although yes, of course, during the initial time, maybe it will take a bit more time, but we have all the videos to solve this problem. Alright, and if you still have issues, we have the Telegram support for you to ask questions and so on. So we are here, and like I mentioned to you, we are not a new program. We have many people who have joined us. Some of them put take a picture with our AMB Toolkit I'm a Member program. So we welcome all of you to come and join us. And before we go off, we have a special offer. Yes, that's why we are doing the video. We have a special offer for all of you until 18 January, okay, which is next week. Okay, our original package is USD 67. Alright, that's about Ringgit Malaysia, about 280, and we have a promotion package for all of you, which is 47 USD. That is a saving of nearly 200. Alright, so don't think too long, ladies and gentlemen. Come and join us, and we welcome all of you with an open heart. So with that, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, please do contact your friends who have shared you this Facebook Live or this YouTube, because I'm going to upload this in YouTube. If you have any question, alright, you can also PM me, alright, or you can check out our main website, which is appsmasterbuilder.com. okay, inshallah all the information that you require is there, but definitely if you need more information, we are always here to provide support. So with that, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. Thank you.